Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today we're gonna do an open box of our new Apple AirPod Pro. Actually, this look like exact Apple Pro AirPods, but this is a knockoff model. This one I bought it for 30 bucks, just 30 bucks, but it literally looked like a real genuine Apple AirPods. So we're gonna open the box and we're gonna check how good it is, and we're gonna do a review on this. Okay, just for 30 bucks, it looks and feel just like AirPod Pro. So let's go and open the box. So let's open the box. So if you look at, it has the writing just like Apple One, and it has the serial number, everything. If you look at here, serial number, and it says AirPod Pro. There's Apple logo, so pretty much just like Apple. So now let's see, let's open the box. Okay, let's open it. Here you go. So this one has says designed by Apple in California. So let's open what inside. So just nothing there. So this AirPod Pro. The quality of paper, you can see it's not as good as the original one. I mean, just in Chinese. By just looking at it, you know that it's not a original one, it's not the real one. Yeah, it's in some instruction manual, I don't know, something in Chinese. No Apple sticker. Usually that comes with the original, comes with the Apple sticker. There's no Apple sticker. Anyway, let's take our stuff right here. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's actually a charging cable. Oh, this is a mini USB one. Okay, and this is regular one. Oh, this is extra you know, the earbuds. Okay, you have like 4 of them. So okay, that comes in there. Okay, that's not bad. So let's open our AirPods. Okay, this feels strong, feels very nice. It's good, not bad. So let's open it. Wow, there's a small light here, LED comes up, and if you look at here, it has the writing and everything here. So it feels and look very realistic, very look like a, you know, real one. But let's take it out. Wow, yeah, it feels like just like you know, it has a writing and everything just like the real ones. And wow, it charges. Okay, let me connect this to the phone, and I'll let you know how good this thing is. So guys, I connected to my phone, and it just literally connect just like the original you know, AirPod. And as soon as you open it here, it will come up in your screen, and then you just connect it just like that via Bluetooth. And I just feel the same, and I listen to the music pretty much the same. I don't feel any difference. I don't know why people spend like 200 bucks or more when you can buy this for 30 bucks. And I'm pretty sure the battery is not gonna be last like the original one, but who cares? For 30 bucks, you cannot beat this, trust me. And yeah, so that's my review. I really like this thing. For 30 bucks, you can't beat this. So if you can get one, definitely buy it. I'm pretty sure you can buy it. I bought this from Facebook marketplace, and I'm sure a lot of people selling, you know, in Facebook, so you can find one of these. And then yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Please click that bell button so that when I upload a new video, you will get that notification. So I'm gonna come up with another video soon. Till then, it's me, Aldos, signing off. Bye-bye.